Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Tokyo Olympics American gymnast Simone Biles withdraws from event finals for vault and uneven bars. USA Gymnastics says Simone Biles has decided to withdraw from the Olympic event finals in the vault and uneven bars. Today, after further consultation with medical staff, Simone Biles has decided to withdraw from the event finals for the vault and the uneven bars, said US judge in a statement. She will continue to be evaluated daily to determine whether to compete in the finals for floor exercising and balance beam. Biles, who continues to wrestle with mental health issues, had earlier withdrawn from the women's all-around final on Thursday and the team final on Tuesday after a poor mark on her opening vault. The 24-year-old, however, might yet make an appearance at the Tokyo Games, having not ruled herself out for the floor, exercising on Monday and being on Tuesday. Biles said she was putting her mental health first when she withdrew from the gymnast team event after one rotation. The US women won silver there. She also decided not to compete in the all-around. American Sanisha Lee won gold in that event. Michaela Skinner, who had the fourth highest score in the vault during qualification, will compete in the vault finals for the US alongside Jade Carroll, who finished with the second highest score. Biles was defeating Olympic champion in the vault. I must personally say I had the opportunity to at least briefly talk with her after the team competition. I am really admiring how she is handling the situation. Batch, a gold medal finisher at the 1976 Games. Two terrorists gunned down in an encounter in Jammu and Kashmir, Pulwama. Two terrorists were killed in an encounter with security forces at the Nagberantar Shar forest area of Pulwama in Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday. The identity of the militant is yet to be established. The exact location of the encounter was between Nabi Mian and Marsar in the general area of Dachigam forest, the Kashmir Zone police said in tweet. Sputnik V hits production roadblock for second dose of COVID vaccine. Russian Sputnik V. Russia's Sputnik V was reportedly hit a roadblock in the development of the second dose of its COVID-19 vaccine in India. Sources in the government have said the Russian vaccine maker is facing manufacturing issues with producing the second component, AD5, of the adenovirus vector-based vaccine. Government sources said a team of Russian scientists visited India for over a month to try and iron out the technical problems being faced by domestic manufacturers in producing AD5. Sources said the second component of the vaccine is harder to manufacture because of its design as an adenovirus vector-based vaccine. Unlike other vaccines which use the same composition of doses for the first and the second shot, Sputnik V uses two different components in its COVID vaccine, two types of adenovirus vectors, R82.6 for the capital first shot and R85 for the second vaccination. While 82.6 is the main vaccine, 85 is a booster shot which is given 21 days or 3 weeks apart. Producing 85 is a time consuming as well because the yield or quality of the virus that can be grown in a cell culture of the second dose 85 is low. If the yield is low, the quality of doses produced is low. India today reached out to the Russia Direct Investment Fund for a response which is being awaited. Indian at Tokyo 2020 live updates. Commonwealth books discuss final. Indian women in must-win hockey match. Tokyo 2020 India events. Kamalpreet Kaur sealed the women's discus final berth in a stunning manner on her Olympic debut while veteran Seema Punia missed out. Amit Pangal, the top seed, was shocked in the second round of main boxing flyweight. Atanu Das' campaign in archery ended in round of 16. India women are taking on South Africa in a must-win women's hockey match. Athletics, Kamalpreet Kaur sealed women discus final. Seema Punia ousted boxing. Amit Pangal stunned in round of 16 of men's flyweight. Archery, Atanu Das bowls out losses in men's individual round of 16. Hockey, Indian women in a must-win game against Ireland in Pool A. Shooting, Anjum Maudil and Tejaswini Sawant in women's 50-meter rifle 3-position qualification.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.